Good day to you, my friends. HM60 is HUMMUH Small Excavator 554 ton. It adopts development engine to long-term stable usage and high efficiency, most clients' choice. Its 21 M3 bucket capacity, 360 silky rotation, with integrated casting progresses track plate to make HM60 more excellent. Rotation in place can use more small area and fast to operate, adapt small area operation. Flexible bucket and comfortable cab make excavator operator more work better and high efficiency. Comfortable cab has fast reaction and fluency, soft cushioned seat, advanced air conditioner system adopt difficult environment. We do customization for your excavator. Please feel free to contact us to help your brand enlarge international market.